How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and we're starting on this vlog on a Wednesday, because the last day that we're gonna have actually good weather, you know, in East Tennessee, it's gonna start raining again. What are these? All right, nice try, buddy. But oh, that was badass. Yep, Nathan's back in the vlogs with that GMC Sierra. That every time I see it, I want one. Don't know why, but I do. Well, I know why I do. But yeah. Got that stance, boys. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump on the opportunity to take the trucks over to the grassy area and get a bunch of freaking pictures of the trucks. Because, you know, just gonna full send it. But yeah. God, look at the dam. I'm gonna miss it when it's gone. I mean, we've been dumping water for like days now, it seems like. So we have it's 10 feet over summer lake level. And if y'all know what Norris Lake summer lake level is, that's freaking insanity how high it is. Alright, me and Nathan are out of here. Make sure you follow him on Instagram, guys. He's trying to get his Instagram up to get some more sponsorships and stuff. He just honked his horn. But make sure you follow him, guys. He's an awesome guy. Great freaking truck. You don't see many of those GMCs like that stanced out the way he's got it. I freaking love it. So make sure you follow him. Make sure you follow the build, guys. He's got all kinds of stuff coming to that build. I cannot wait to see it when it's all said and finished. And of course, truck review will be on that very soon. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for just the recent, you know, support still. I mean, February was the worst month of YouTube I've ever had. Well, not the worst month, probably like the second worst month due to the flooding. But you all made it worth your while, my while. So thank you all so much. So we're gonna get over to the next location because I think some shenanigans are gonna go down. Well, guys, you can guess where we're at. Why is Hunter in a Nissan Sentra? Well, y'all are about to find out because, or not a Sentra, that's an Altima or something. I don't know. All I know is it's a and we're probably gonna beat the absolute dog piss out of it. Because it's a freaking God, I hate it when I had that rental. If y'all remember that when the old lady hit me wheel and tire, I had to put my truck in the shop and the insurance had to pay for them all, they put me in a freaking Nissan Sentra. Out of everything they could have put me in, they put me in a damn Sentra. God, that was the worst vehicle I've ever had in my life. And it looks like he's in a little bit of off-roading. What? Did it come like that?
What? Those things flapping down? Oh, you mean muddy?
Yeah, that. Yeah.
No, this is actually my grandma's car.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's instead of the Uncle's Tacoma, we borrowed the grandma's Maxima. It's an Altima. Okay, sorry, Altima. That's what we're doing. I feel so sorry for your grandmother. I really do.
Wow, dude, this thing is good. Wow.
Don't say that. Now we're gonna get stuck. Did you already go down this? Or up this? Oh
my grandmother's not going to be happy.
Wait, this is her third vehicle, right? This isn't. Yes. Yeah, this isn't her favorite. It's our third vehicle.
Damn.
Yeah, so it's not like we're, you know, ruining her favorite vehicle. We're just ruining the third vehicle. Oh my God! Don't go into that.
Easy with it.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What have you done, Josh?
I haven't done anything. I'm not a part of this. I just was told to come here. What in God's name? Oh dear Lord. We don't promote this. We don't recommend you taking your grandma's Altima off-roading.
Maybe we need traction control on.
Oh shit.
I got the pedal to the floor.
Oh god. I've got the old crap. I'm grabbing on the old crap handle. Hunter just told me to hang on. I don't know what the hell's going on at this point, and I'm scared. Holy shit.
Oh, we are stuck. No bueno.
I don't think Nissan intended for us to do this.
Did they not?
No, I think they just intended for road use.
Alright, let's go somewhere else. Get the shit off the window. My grandma's gonna kill me.
Why are we doing this again?
She said she wanted to see what the off-road ability was like on it, so whoa.
Isn't she going to like Colorado and putting this in like the Pikes Peak or something race?
Yeah.
No, something like that. I don't know. She said to test it.
She did.
Now, what would be an ultimate test if you go up that hill?
Which one? Oh shoot. Yeah, we wouldn't get close to that.
God above. What do you think, buddy? Lily, what do you think? I text Megan and I said, you won't believe what Hunter and I are doing on the farm. And she's like, do I want to know? I'm sure to send her a picture of this.
Suspension's pretty soft.
Yeah, your grandmother will have no problem with
the spot right there.
Your grandmother will have no problem with the Pikes Peak challenge, I don't think. Holy crap, okay. Oh, okay. Easy there. Easy there, tractor control. Oh god! Oh shit! Oh shit! What was that?
He's like, what was that?
Something hit something. I don't know what hit what, but something hit something.
Skid plate.
Oh, okay. We just jumped the Altima. Alright, road rally. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. Okay, we gotta do the road part of the Pikes Peak course, so we gotta road rally it right here.
You ready?
Yep, we'll go. Right, come in. Got gravel spot, slick spot, slick spot. Okay, hard left coming up, hard left coming up. Coming in hard left. Holy mother of God. Holy mother of God, hard left. Okay, straight. We're gonna go to down a small incline and then a hard right. And then floor it. Okay, this is the hard part of the Pikes Peak challenge, so we have to test out this washout abilities. Okay, it's still grabbing track. We still got traction. How's your tire pressures?
Holding 33, 33, 32, 32.
32 in the rear?
Yeah.
Huh, that's weird. Hunter, did you go with the sign?
We're gonna just run straight into the sign, dude. Hold on. Look how high the water's been.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Danger, high water. How deep is that in the middle? Oh my god, how do these people get out of their house? So, on our rally adventures, we come to a water crossing on the course that I don't know if we can forge or not. We might have to go get the F350 for this one.
Dude, that is deep. Look at this. Look, that's more than like 4 feet deep, 5 feet right there. Probably 6, because that dips down right there.
Yeah, I forgot about that. There's a crane.
I mean, you're looking right here. This is a foot right here.
Yeah.
2 feet, 3 feet. You better hold. What would you do if I just pulled it in there and it came all the way up to? We start floating.
God bless. Guys, we highly don't recommend this. Again, we're testing his grandmother's car. You can go in more than that. Don't be a wussy.
Now we do a water burnout. How about that?
Send it, son. Wow.
You're like, wow.
All right, give it hail.
Give it hell, praise Dale.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to turn traction control back on.
Yeah, you might want to. It's got the V6 in it, the 4-cylinder. Does it feel like the Sentra I had?
Does it feel a lot faster?
Oh yeah. Remember how painful it was to get to 100? Yeah. Wait. We never did that.
No, we didn't.
No, not at all.
I don't know who did that.
I don't know. We're doing this for science!
Science.
Oh! It is Sunday. The last time I vlogged, I think, was like Wednesday or something like that. But anyways, we actually have a decent day out in East Tennessee now. It's not raining. It's probably about 60 degrees out. It feels really damn good out. So right now I'm heading to Walmart to get some stuff. Anyways, didn't film much yet. Didn't film anything yesterday because I had to work. I had to go into work and basically babysit some people. And then me and my girlfriend and Colin, that you know from the vlog, and his dad, we went out to a hockey game last night, and just, it was raining, so there's nothing really to film. It wouldn't have been anything good. But right now, like I said, I'm heading to Walmart, gonna pick up some stuff, and then hopefully we're gonna get the truck washed today and get some other stuff done to the truck and kind of get ready for Rod Run coming up. It's coming up very fast and very soon. I cannot wait for it. It's gonna be so much freaking fun. So I made it in out of Wally's World, or Walmart, whatever you want to call it, with got a new bucket, another bucket so I can do like the double bucket thing with my washing, and I got a new retractable hose for the pressure washer, so it'll be a lot easier to wash the truck. So let's head back to the house and get started. We just changed out two of my O2 sensors. We just found out we got the wrong, I got the wrong ones for the upper streams. For the downstreams, I did get the right ones. And as you can see, they're original in the truck, and they are awful. This is probably the reason why I threw my check engine code all the time, was because of probably the back two, because it's bank number 2. On my truck, if you want to know where they're located, see here, crawl up underneath here. They are, one of them's right here, as you can see. It closes up to the clip up there, and then one of them's tucked away right in here. You take that box off real easily, and the other one's up under, I don't know if y'all can see it, up underneath right there. They weren't that bad replaced, actually. All we did was take a long, wrench or whatever and break them loose, and we undid them, and you just undo the plastic clips on them, and they came right off pretty easily, and we put them back on. Not bad at all. Thanks to my dad for some help on that. But the ones I got here are the wrong ones, because they're plug-ins with like tab that you plug into something, where I need the tab that you plug the other end into, if that makes any sense. So that unfortunately, we're gonna have to return those and get the different ones, because my truck is technically a 96.5, so it has 96 parts on it, and like technically 97 parts on it. So that could be what was interchanged with this truck. We don't know, honestly. It's kind of hit or miss with this truck. But, it's the nature of the beast. But I did start it up and let it idle. And it seems like it's idling a whole lot better once we redid those. And every time I did get the check engine code, it was bank number 2 that was the issue, it seemed like. So, it could have just been these. But when you replace these, make sure I've been told to replace all of them at the same time. So right now, we're going to back the truck out, wash it off, give it a really good washing, because I have a new toy to wash this truck with. So if you saw it on my Instagram story, make sure you follow my Instagram, tag will be down in the description. I got a foam cannon now, and I got the Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. This is one of the best detailing stuff in the business. Them and Adams Polish are pretty much equal, one of the best ones to use on your vehicle. I chose this because I love the way the honeydew looks on it, and they say it's really good at bringing out all the dirt and grime off of it. So we're going to try this. I cannot wait to use this kind of stuff. And it also smells really good for some reason. So I'm adding to my arsenal of clean detail. I'm going to get all Chemical Guys products now. All the Walmart stuff you see that I've used in the past. It works really well. Don't get me wrong. If you're on a budget, Walmart, find the best stuff at Walmart. But this stuff is hands down some of the best stuff you can get. And this is just a general foam cannon from Amazon. I didn't get one like a fancy one. This was $16, and this was like $10 for this. And I got it since I have Amazon Prime. I got 2-day free shipping on both of them, or on this, but not that, I don't think. So right now we're gonna hook the pressure washer up, and we're gonna get the truck ready for wash. I got my foam cannon ready, pressure washer's ready to go. Got my 2-bucket method going. One is gonna be, of course, for the soap and stuff. That's gonna be for rinsing. And then got the hose all set up. Gonna spray out the truck, and then we'll see how the foam cannon works. guys, the truck is now washed. Chemical guys made this so much easier with their foam cannon and that honey snow foam. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier, but right now I'm gonna start kind of detailing. It's the first detail I've done in a while. I've washed the truck, but I haven't done a detail yet. I will be coming out with a video soon on something that you need to learn from me, because I made a bad mistake. And yeah, you just need to learn from my mistake, basically. But that video will be coming out soon, guys. But anyways, yeah, I mean, she hasn't looked this good in a long time. So get some wax on her, get the interior cleaned out, and we'll go from there. A lot of people ask me what kind of tricks of the trade I kind of know for cleaning off the interior of my truck. And basically, I kind of show you some other videos, but what I haven't shown you is how I clean up my WeatherTechs. I just take like some car wash soap, like the honeydew chemical guys, spray a little bit on it, put some water on it, scrub it down like one of these. You know, just scrub past, scrub it down, and rinse it off, and it comes out really good. Takes most of the grit out of them. Those WeatherTechs are a lifesaver, but you gotta keep cleaning them though to keep them look good. Truck is finally detailed. I'm letting the tires shine dry. Haven't detailed this thing in probably like 2 or 3 months, and she shined up really good. Just I got some stuff I gotta fix this upcoming spring and winter and all that fun stuff. But she cleaned up very nicely. Got the interior cleaned up a little bit, vacuumed it out. Got the floor mat scrubbed off, new air freshener in here. So it turned out really good. Windows wiped down, making those look really good. And man, it turned out really good. All right, guys, a little bit later on, just got after I've detailed the truck and whatnot, I'm with Babe. Say hi, Babe.
Hi.
Anyways, we're at Sonic, so we're just hanging out for tonight before the work week starts, and we both want to throw each other off a bridge. Anyways,
we're getting our nudes.
We're getting our nudes. So, funny story about this. The first date we ever went on was actually this Sonic right here. We went over here after we had dinner, and we were deciding what we wanted. Well, I pressed the button, and she decided to play Little Miss Sonic. And so I was like, hey, welcome to Sonic, how may I help you? Well, apparently, the lady over the intercom heard us, and she goes, what do you want? And, like, barked at us and all this other stuff. So now it's a big inside joke. We always come to Sonic, and I get my blue raspberry slushy with nerds, and she usually gets
Cherry limeade.
Cherry limeade, but you got nerds this time.
I did get nerds.
So you can't judge me anymore.
I want to be a nerd.
You want to be a nerd? Nerd. We're nerds. So we're waiting on our food, because apparently for a Sonic on a Sunday it's pretty busy.
There's like 20 cars in the parking lot.
Yeah, it's really weird. But hopefully we'll get it soon.